this is future me just filling in. I'm trying to hide as much of my bedroom as possible. So this is pretty much the main transformation of my room. In the last part, I will be doing a whole room tour. So if you don't get to see all of it in this video, it's because I am saving that for another video, which will be coming very soon. If you haven't seen part 1 where I show you everything I've bought, then I will leave a link to that down below. So yeah, this video basically went over quite a long span of time. I did originally start this video back in about March time, and things just kept getting pushed backwards and pushed backwards. So when I started doing this, even after that, it did then get pushed back even more. In the end, I managed to get my room done. It may have taken a little while, but I thought I would document it all to share with you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment if you're feeling like it.
So it is day 1 of what I'm calling the transformation video. This is probably going to be quite a long video because it's going to be a bit of like everything. So today is Saturday, the 26th of September, so it's not going to be done for another week, I would say.
The fact I genuinely thought it would be finished in a week. Oh god, you got a lot coming.
First things first, I need to tidy up my room before I do anything, and I need to take some photos of my bed ready to pop it on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I haven't fully tidied because a lot of it just needs to go into some boxes, so I've just left most things, but I don't want to put too much in boxes that I'm going to need still over the next week. Most things under my bed are like my new bedding and stuff, but they all need to be moved because if someone gets this bed, it needs to be empty. I've just discovered that I actually don't have any more of these little white pegs that I use on here. I don't know if you can see, like, all of these are hung up by these little pegs. So what I've just ordered some little ones, but I couldn't find the same ones, so I'm just ordered some like little wooden ones. They're all gonna get replaced with wooden instead. But yeah, that was kind of annoying because I've got more photos arriving. Oh well.
So annoyingly, I messed up with the recording settings here. I don't know whether my mic was unplugged or something, but basically I was just explaining how I was going to be selling the drawers and all of the stuff in there basically had nowhere to go. I was thinking maybe I would keep some up there, but I was also saying I have emptied out all of the dance stuff and my pyjamas into this box, and I was keeping a few things out ready for that week. So leotard and tights that I needed for that week, and two pairs of pyjamas that I needed for that week, just to kind of make life easier.
So I have done a homeware haul, which you guys have probably seen. If not, go check it out. But obviously this has arrived afterwards. Okay, so most of this is just fake plants. This looked better, honestly, on the thingy, but I think from far away in camera, it looks okay. So this is literally just like a little plasticky plant thing. Another one that I also got is this hanging one, which I've wanted for a long time. But yeah, I wanted a little hanging plant. I'm not sure where this is going to go yet. And I also got this set of 3 little succulents. I was expecting them to feel a bit heavier. I got 2 plant pots. I got these are the 9cm ones. I got one in white and I got one in grey. I thought they would fit my room best.
So I messed up the recording here, but this was basically me showing my dad's office and all of my stuff in it. As you can see, there was a lot of stuff. I had 2 duvets there, to be fair, all my bedding, all of my new like soft furnishings, boxes of all of my stuff. So it had got really, really full. So here I basically came in to show that I was ready because someone had bought the bed and it was going to be taken that day, and I was just going to be sleeping on a mattress on the floor. So I've just come home and I look so weird. I'm in a leotard and ballet tights. I'm not just like, okay.
Promise. I've just come in and my bed is gone. So I'm going to be sleeping on a mattress on the floor. It's really gross down there. So my photo grid has been taken down, as you can see. There's some spots that need filling, ignore the shadow. And you can also see I've got a few marks on the wall down here and here. So this wall definitely, the whole thing might actually need doing. If you look up close, I don't know if you can see. It's a bit grim. But yeah, that's gone. These drawers have just been sold, so I just need to, I've cleaned all the front of it, I just need to like clean out the inside. And then they're going today, and then yeah, we're getting there. The set of drawers is gone. Sorry, I know this lighting and angle isn't very good, but I have just been told some kind of exciting news. So when I did my bedroom last time, basically I didn't get a new carpet when the rest of the house did. The rest of the house basically got new carpets and I didn't, so I've still got the one that we got with the house like 10 years ago. It's a bit gross now, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's old and it's just not that nice. And my mum and dad said that they're gonna buy me a new carpet, which I was not expecting and I'm so excited about. Tomorrow, my dad and I are going to IKEA to pick up the last few things that I need, and then we're going to the carpet shop and I'm going to pick up my carpet, which I'm really just so excited about. So that means we have to dismantle my wardrobe, which means I need to get more boxes down and refill everything. Obviously I'm not doing that now, it's 10:30. I'm so excited now. That basically means everything needs to go. What we're doing about my desk is we're just going to tip it because it's not in the best condition anymore. The set of drawers have 5 giant screws screwed into the top, so if you take the tabletop off, they're just sticking up. One of my drawers is a bit sticking, I can't remember which one it is, and they've just got marks and dents on them and I just don't think it's in the greatest condition to resell. So it's a few days later and I kind of have some updates. This part of the video, this vlog series, is obviously quite updatey. My dad and I had our IKEA trip. First things first, the set of drawers that said it was in stock the night before wasn't when we got there. So we got the bedside table, I got some plastic boxes for storage, and I also bought a real plant. This is a Phalaenopsis multiflora, I don't know if that's the actual name, and I got another one of these grey pots to match the others that I'd bought. I went to choose my carpet, so I picked out my carpet, but that doesn't get fitted until the 13th of October, and today is the 2nd, so I've still got quite a while to wait, so I can't really get anything done until then. Also, I don't know, but it may be delayed me getting the bed, I don't know, just obviously things happening, so really I'm just kind of in a waiting game. Hey everyone, so today I am moving out of my bedroom because on Tuesday my carpet is getting fitted and we need to do the painting before the carpet gets fitted. Got a lot that I need to do, and because I'm getting new carpet it means I have to take my wardrobe apart. So I need to go into the loft and get a ton of boxes down. I need to figure out what clothes I'm going to need for the next few days until I can get my wardrobe back up, which might not be until, I don't know, Wednesday, Thursday. I also just want to apologise for today that my hair's a bit greasy, but I didn't see the point in washing it this morning. If I'm going to be moving loads of stuff in and out, I'm probably going to get sweaty, so I may as well do it tonight. So, we've got things going on. Look, this is what my dad's office is looking like. It's, I mean, he can't really get to his desk. There's part of my wardrobe, another part. Everything's kind of
getting sorted. Here are my blinds. And then my bedroom is looking like this. Here's my old mattress, which I'll still be using until I get my bed. But yeah, also this is something I don't know if I showed you, but this is another reason I need to paint. This is literally printed onto my windowsill. I had a parcel that was on here, and either it was really sunny or it rained, or both, because there was a few times where it tipped it down and my windows were open, and so everything got wet. So one of those things then imprinted this DPD packaging onto my windowsill. So I don't really want that there. Picked up all the bits off of the floor and hoovered. So tomorrow my dad is going to be painting. Oh, I wish, I feel so bad saying it, but I hate this chandelier. It was my sister's, like, when she was about 7, when we first moved into this house, so she was actually even younger. But it gives so many shadows, but then just a plain light bulb, look, there's literally no marks on the walls and you can actually see the colour. I'm tempted to buy a new light, but I feel bad because it was my sister's lamp. But now all I need to do is look at all of this stuff and see if there are any cracks that need filling. So, okay, ignore the dust. It's actually gross, sorry, you can see my shadow. But all of this needs filling with some filler. I've also got a dent in my wall there. I don't know how I've got that. Also, can you see, like, my walls don't look that bad from afar, but then you see the tea stains and you see the marks on the walls, and you can actually see them because I've not got the shadow from my light. So the day is Monday the 12th, and my dad has finished in here. This bit was where my wardrobe is, so he hasn't had to do that. That's why it looks slightly different. So yeah, that's all been done. This has all been done. I no longer have a DPD thing on my windowsill. It's very glossy. But I actually put up my blinds and screwed up my curtain thingy and hung my wall thing back up. The carpet is getting fitted tomorrow. And the carpet is in. This is what it looks like. I'm really happy with the colour. It's kind of like, I don't know, it is a grey, but it's not too dark, but it's not too light. And it blends pretty well without there. Decent. It's going to be reorganising my wardrobe, more like reloading it. And yeah, it's time for me to put my clothes back in here. I have just got this set of drawers, which, sorry about my trousers on the floor. These are the Malm 6 tall drawers. I don't really know the name of them. They have been out of stock forever at IKEA, and I can't even describe how frustrating that is. So I went to IKEA about 2 weeks ago, and the night before they were in stock, literally about 10 p.m. And then when I went the next day, they were out of stock. But my dad actually got these off of Facebook Marketplace. Well, he found them. I paid for them. Yeah, Facebook Marketplace. And so I got them for £50 rather than, I think, 99. So that's really good. Sorry, let me just move all of these. So this one is the one that has the mirror. However, I don't think I'll be using this because I've got enough mirrors. I've got mirrors on my wardrobe doors as well. And I think this will just be a good place to store things. This isn't probably going to be where it goes. Just for now, this is where it's been put. So I'm going to start filling it up. I don't know what I'm going to put where, but that's what the current job is. So I'm filming this quick update on my phone just because it's all I have with me right now. So time has gone on a little bit. This is how I have been living in my room for now. I've got these boxes which will be going under my new bed, my mattress, and yeah, so you can see I've got kind of everything's moving on a little bit. I don't know if I ever showed my desk fully put up, and I also got some shelves and everything, but tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'm getting my bed. So things have kind of progressed. I'm very excited. My dad's office is still a tip, so I feel so bad for him, but I'm going to be putting up my bed tomorrow, fingers crossed, making that all nice, finishing this video, and then we can decorate for Christmas. So we're doing updates on the phone again. Hey, today is the day I get my bed, so my nan is kind of officially moving everything out of the house today. So I get the bed finally, which I'm so excited about. I just thought I'd show you how the room is looking today, what I've done to it to put the bed in. So originally I was going to put the bed along here, but I'm going to put it in the middle now. I think that's what I've decided. So I've cleared out the mattress from in here, and I've just got my drawers and my bedside table and then the cat bed. And then I've just moved these boxes over here, which will be going under the bed, and this will be going at the end of the bed. Hey, and most things are just in my dad's office or the spare bedroom at the moment. And yeah, so we've got all of this floor space here where the bed will be going. So we've just popped it pretty much in place. It's going to move back a tiny bit, but even now I've still got this space here, so I'm very, very excited. Okay, when I click, this will be done. So as you can see, my bed is up. I'm literally in love. I'm so pleased with how it's turned out. I've just got a few more finishing touches to get done to it, and then it is completely finished. I'm so pleased. Yeah, it looks so good.
I can't breathe without your